Alright, so I got water stuck in the washing machine. It's not really draining, so I'm going to check out this multi-use transfer pump from Harbor Freight. It was like $4. It's my first time using it, so let's see kind of how it does. So, it's a $4 pump, so I'm not expecting to be the greatest thing ever, but I'm also expecting to suck this water out. And it works. And what I need is pulling the water. I just need a weight, something to help hold it in the deep end. Yeah. That's the only downfall, but that's even. But I'm gonna try. Forget in there. It looks like I just disrupted this a little. I'm gonna see if I could connect these. Put it back. Now it's draining faster. If I can connect them, I could pull through here and maybe break whatever's plugged in the drain. I should have filmed it, but after 2 or 3 pumps, I must have pulled whatever the blockage out was, and you can see how it's doing. But I had to use this fitting. I've never used this tool before. So I use this fitting, and these are locks that I didn't know about, that I should have remembered, but there's locks that go on here to help lock the hose on. You can see a big difference in the flow from before I started and after I finished. I should have showed it, but I used nothing more than this. There was a little hose I found. I don't know if this hose came with this. I have another tool that has a lot of fittings. This is like my vacuum suction fluid transfer. I have a Mighty Vac, which I broke a few of these doing a brake job. This one I just got replaced on the warranty. But I gotta plug that and dump that. But this worked on clearing this drain. I dumped out that container. So for an inexpensive fluid transfer pump, this was definitely worth it. Now I'm just gonna have to take it and pump out whatever's in here. I don't know if it's got a filter inside that caught that gunk, but this is a trickle when I started, and now it's coming down. So once this is done, I'm gonna pull this piece out. I just don't wanna put all this water on the floor. So we'll check out to see if that piece in there is all plugged up with lint and whatever. So once this is done, we'll be back. Alright, so now coming down to a little trickle. So I want to see if this is plugged. This is going to make a mess. Do what you want to catch it. I just don't care. And it's got some gunk on it, and I probably knocked a lot of it off. You can see all the lint and crap on here. So when I was using the pump, I was probably knocking a lot of that gunk out. So I'm gonna get in there and wipe that up with a rag. Just to get some of this crap out. I mean, I could. This is just water and soap. And as it goes through, it's gonna flush out whatever might have been plugging that up now. I know, people are freaking out I'm spilling water. This is my basement. I just don't care about a little spilled water. I care more about the water draining when my wife does laundry, so I don't have to hear about it. The water will dry. Guess that's the plumber part of me. I'm not a real plumber with a license, but I do HVAC and I gotta do water lines, and water spills everywhere, so. But now I know it drains because I could turn it on and the pump starts and some of the water goes out. But with this being plugged up and this all gunked up, I'm gonna clean this, put this in, and this will work. But more than likely when I was using that pump, I cleared a lot of this crap off. So if you do have your washing machine back up and not drain, check your strainer, make sure it's clear. All right, now I'm just gonna turn it back on. I was probably gonna do it first because I just put a lot of soaking wet clothes in there. No, it didn't do it. I'm surprised it didn't do a spin to try to pull the water out, but well, I'll come back and find out how this is. I gotta go. Alright, so finally went into a drain. It sounds like it's draining. There's the answer. Is it? Or does it just sound? It's draining. Okay. This piece of paper protected the top. Well, thanks for watching. I'm out.